The
Rolling.
Period. Hey.
It's like, not the show happening.
Right. Y'all came for the stars.
Oh my gosh, what's up y'all? So it's your boy, Mr. KingCoaster, and I'm here with my wonderful friend, Ben Jack, okay?
Hey.
We are riding Top Thrill 2 for the first time.
I'm
It's
not.
celebrating my birthday!
Happy birthday!
Okay.
Now, is this better than original Dragster?
We will see. But this is my birthday wish to you all, and thank you all so much for supporting Mr. KingCoaster. Here we go!
In Ohio Coaster.
Yes,
period.
in Ohio Coasters! Let's go!
Oh,
Woo! Let's go! Woo! Yeah! Woo! Yeah! Woo!
Roll back!
Roll back! Second launch! Woo! Woo! 101!
Oh my God!
Yes!
Power tower.
Okay! Yes! Woo! Ah! 120! Ah! Woo! Woo! Oh! Not the air time! Not the air time! Oh my God!
Girl, the ride mount broke me.
Okay.
I was folded like a
Oh.
pretzel. Oh
The
my
air
God.
time. Y'all have to get out here to Cedar Point and ride Top Thrill 2, okay?
Y'all see the t-shirt, y'all see the hoodie, do it now.
Let's do it.
Even in the
Whoa!
clothes. She was,
That is such a new experience, okay?
y'all, I just got folded like a pretzel.
I didn't know what was going on. All right, stay tuned for more. Thank you so much for tuning in.
And
to
make
Mr.
sure y'all follow
KingCoaster.
us.
Follow us, Mr. KingCoaster, and
BenJack_Ohio Coasters.
bye.
Yeah.
Top Thrill 2 and enjoy the rest